There is one thing that I want to do today. It is so nice outside right now. It is October 24th and it is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 18 degrees Celsius. Literally not a cloud in the sky. So about 6 months ago, I decided that I wanted to get good at skateboarding. I skated a bit as a teenager, but I didn't really have the persistence and the diligence to stick with it and really learn tricks. But for whatever reason, this year, I wanted to get good at skating, especially on vert. So in March of this year, I started skating, and then pretty soon I was skating every day at my local skate park in Toronto. I would go spend about an hour on the mini ramp, and when you do something every day, the progression happens fast and it becomes addicting. Like every time I would go, I would palpably get better. I would learn a new trick, I would get more comfortable dropping in, grinding, just learning new stuff. And it was amazing. And I kept it going through the spring and summer, and then about 3 weeks ago, we moved here. And when you move, your routine just gets thrown out the window. With the fall weather, it was raining a lot, so I wasn't skating as much as I wanted, but I found the local skate park, and it's awesome. It's very different, but it's awesome. With the move and the bad weather, I haven't been coming here as much as I'd like, but there's one trick that I've been working on that I haven't landed yet, and today might be the last nice skate day of the season. So today, we're gonna land it. So close, we're getting there. We're gonna get this today. We're gonna get this today. Close. That was right there. That was right there. This is it. Let's go. I think I was riding my board backwards on that one. How many attempts was that? Only took 35 attempts. Ah, yes. That feels so good. If this is the last day of the skate season, I'm happy. I'm good. All right, so we landed it. That's cool. That's fine. Let's get some nice ones now. I swear, more than anything, it's a mental hump. Like, I landed one, and I immediately landed a second. It's just knowing you can do it. Let's keep going. This is a beautiful day. Last good skate day of the season. We're gonna take full advantage of it. Might be the last time I can do that this year as well. That felt good. That was a great day. I really put this in the worst possible angle. 35 attempts, and we got it. There's something so uniquely satisfying about an activity where you can really feel the progression, especially when you do it every day. And it's hard to find that when you're an adult. I think when you're a kid, you know, you learn sports, you learn instruments, and then when you're finished school, it's like, yeah, you can learn other skills, but it's easy to stick to what you're good at and then spend your free time doing things that are easy or relaxing. But you know, it's nice to be out of breath. It's nice to fall without hurting yourself and to finish the day knowing that you did something that you couldn't do when you started. Do stuff that you're bad at, and doing it every day, trying to get better while having fun, there's nothing like it. If you would like to see what I'm up to behind the scenes, you can gain exclusive access to the behind the scenes Instagram page by supporting this channel on Patreon. To learn more about that, head on over to patreon.com/MorleyKurt. And I would like to give a special thank you to my top supporter on Patreon, my mom, Kathy Kurt. Thanks, Mom, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.